guys, my recipe for today is inspired by my trip to Lonavala. I'm gonna make some yummy walnut fudge. And I went to Lonavala earlier this year, of course. And I had this fudge in Lonavala and I fell in love with it. It was beautiful. I couldn't stop eating it after one bite. Homemade condensed milk for this recipe. Let's begin.
So the first thing we need to do is take around 125 grams of sugar. This is regular granulated sugar. इसमें डालेंगे 250 ml of milk. और अब हमें इसे पकाना है कम से कम 10 से 15 मिनट और इसे हमें रिड्यूस करना है और इसे हमें बेसिकली एक स्वीटेंड कंडेंस्ड मिल्क जो है वो बना रहे हैं हम. Make sure that you keep stirring this in intervals. At this stage you can actually see a kind of color change and a texture change. And now our sweetened condensed milk is almost about to get done, but we're just waiting for a little more color. Alright, so at this stage lower the gas flame, and as soon as we lower the gas flame the bubbles will start to kind of recede. So you can see that the condensed milk is now ready. The color has changed, it has reduced, and it has kind of become nice and thick. That is exactly what we want. See that gorgeous color of the condensed milk. This condensed milk mixture will give you around half a cup. This is a half cup measurement, which is 100 ml. So this condensed milk should actually reduce down and become like a 100 ml thing from the 250 ml that we started in the beginning. Now this goes back in the pan. I just wanted to show you the condensed milk, and now we'll move on to the next step.
Here, let me just tell you, in case you don't want to make your own condensed milk, please feel free to use half a cup of the regular store-bought condensed milk. That's very readily available, but I have shown this method for all those of you who might not want to buy condensed milk from the market.
So that is our gorgeous homemade condensed milk. So to this half cup of sweetened condensed milk, I'm going to add in a quarter cups of cocoa powder. Give this a good mix. Keep the flame on a low while you mix all of this together. And to this, I'm also going to add in a quarter cups of ghee. This is Shuddh Desi ghee that I'm adding. Gives a beautiful texture and a beautiful flavor to the dessert. Mixing everything together. To this, I'm going to add in like half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is optional, but I like to add it. Also adding in just a pinch of salt to this. Mix everything together. And we need to cook this for a few minutes until this starts to thicken up. Make sure that you mix in the ghee very well and you kind of emulsify it with all the other ingredients. Now to this mixture, I'm also going to add in half a cup of roasted and chopped walnuts. You can add in whatever nuts you like. Look at that, guys. This fudge is already starting to leave the sides. We haven't added any chocolate, or we haven't added any store-bought condensed milk. But this is what it looks like right now. Just mix it and cook this for a couple of more minutes. So that is it, guys. Once it starts leaving the sides like so, that is when we know that our fudge is ready. So just when it starts leaving the sides like this, I'll switch off the flame and let it cool down. So I've basically taken this out in my serving plate. You can set this in any kind of container, or you can also basically set it in small jars and give them as individual gifts to somebody. Adding some chopped walnuts. And now this needs to set completely before we dig in.
So guys, that was my recipe for a super quick, super easy, and just like a 5-ingredient walnut fudge. It's a simple and delicious, decadent, no-bake dessert, and honestly this recipe almost tastes like a fudge brownie, to be honest. You have to try this recipe. Give this recipe a try. Let me know how you liked it. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and I'll see you next time with another great recipe. Till then, happy cooking, stay safe.